Hi guys, I'm Roland Junio and this is Tales from the Friend Zone Ictus Edition. Ang Tales from the Friend Zone ay isang programa kung saan nagsasharean tayo ng stories ng mga na-friend zone.
Wait! Di naman to Tales from the Friend Zone ah!
Ano ba to?
Tribute pala kay Patrick!
Ay, talaga? Akala ko Tales from the Friend Zone eh. Danica!
Hey dude!
Prince!
Hey, dude.
Leah!
Hey dude!
Sai!
Hey dude!
Hey, sabihin mo ako ano pangalan mo.
Pangalan ko?
O, balik ka sa ginagawa mo.
Sabi mo 10.
10!
Hey dude!
Yon! Ay, wala.
Ay, wait lang.
Hey Pat! Congratulations! Yay! Thank you! Thank you sa pag-aalaw mo sa amin na-interviewin ka, sa mga lahat ng tulong, sa lahat-lahat, sa pagiging schoolmate ko. Thank you sa lahat. Bye-bye! Hello Patrick! Graduate ka na and congratulations! Thank you for being such a good friend sa aming lahat. Yun, good luck sa career mo and I know you deserve naman all the blessings and may God bless you more. Hi Patrick! Congrats! Graduate ka na and nakita ko grad pic mo. Wala lang. Cool!
Guwapo.
Ayun, sayang sa nung election time lang kita na get close talaga and super saya mo pala kasama and nakwentuhan yung the feast and stuff. Tapos wish you lots of blessings sa life mo after UP. Tapos sana mag-enjoy ka doon and keep praying and enjoying God. Yun yan. Happy birthday, no? Joke kita. Hi, Patrick! Congratulations! And you graduated. And I'm so happy for you because you survived MASCOM and you survived Travesteria. Now you're going to be in that field and I'm really praying for you that you won't, that term? You won't be swayed with the worldly worldly stage in media, and I'm praying for more blessings and always remember that God has good plans for you and always remember that He is your foundation and no matter what, He is always your solid foundation. So keep in touch and bye-bye!
Hey buddy, congratulations at sa wakas, graduate ka na. Yay! Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Kuya Jess for making you my buddy. At least, I got to know your story as a whole and sana magpatuloy pa din yung pag-grow natin as buddies. Sana hindi lang natatapos ang pagiging buddies natin during my application process. Ayun. Wish ko rin na sana kahit alumnus ka na, you get to be involved sa mga ictus activities natin. And hopefully, kapag-donate para naman sa benefit ng mga kids, di ba? Sana kahit busy ka na din sa work mo, in the future, bumibisita ka pa rin sa tambayan, we'll spare some time para makilala din yung mga bagong apps na i-handle ng bagong Execom. And ayun, I hope and pray na magiging successful ka all the way and marireach mo talaga yung goal mo as a human being and as God's kids, di ba? So yes, cheers to more success in life and congratulations!
messing with my head.